Greetings to my inquisitive students. Today we will learn Unit 5, Past Simple, I did.
Quyidagi misolni o'rganing.
Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart was an Austrian musician and composer. He lived from 1756 to 1791. He started composing at the age of 5 and wrote more than 600 pieces of music. He was only 35 years old when he died.
Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart avstriyalik musiqachi va bastakor edi. U 1756-yildan 1791-yilgacha yashadi. U ijodni 5 yoshida boshladi va 600 dan ortiq musiqiy asar yozdi. Vafot etganida u atigi 35 yoshda edi.
Lived, started, wrote, was, died, past simple.
O'tgan oddiy zamondagi fe'llar.
Past simple.
O'tgan oddiy zamon, sodir bo'lgan yoki o'tmishda bo'lib o'tgan va hozirgi ish-harakatga aloqador bo'lmagan ish-harakatni ifodalaydi.
Past simple.
Dagi fe'llar ko'p hollarda
Ed.
qo'shimchasi bilan tugaydi. Bunday fe'llar to'g'ri fe'llar deyiladi.
Work. Worked.
Ishlamoq. Ishladi.
Start. Started.
Boshlamoq. Boshladi.
Close. Closed.
Yopmoq. Yopdi.
I work in a travel agency now. Before that I worked in a shop.
Hozir men sayohat agentligida ishlayman. Undan oldin men do'konda ishladim.
We invited them to our party, but they decided not to come.
Ularni bazmga taklif qildik, lekin ular kelmaslikka qaror qilishdi.
She passed her examination because she studied very hard.
U qattiq o'qiganligi uchun imtihondan o'tdi.
The police stopped me on my way home last night.
Kecha uyga ketayotganimda politsiya meni to'xtatdi.
Sam cooked a tasty dinner yesterday.
Kecha Sam mazali kechki ovqat tayyorladi.
Lekin ko'p fe'llar noto'g'ri fe'llardir. Ularning
Past simple.
dagi shakli
Ed.
bilan tugamaydi. Masalan,
Write. Wrote.
Yozmoq. Yozdi.
Mozart wrote more than 600 pieces of music.
Mozart 600 dan ortiq musiqiy asar yozdi.
See. Saw.
Ko'rmoq. Ko'rdi.
We saw Rose in town a few days ago.
Bir necha kun oldin biz shaharda Rose'ni ko'rdik. So'roq va inkor gaplarda
Did, didn't, plus infinitive, enjoy, see, go.
va hokazo birikmasi qo'llaniladi.
They went.
Ular bordilar.
Did they go?
Ular bordilarmi?
They didn't go.
Ular bormadilar.
When did Mr. Thomas die?
About 10 years ago.
Janob Thomas qachon vafot etdi? 10 yillar oldin.
They didn't invite Betty to the party, so she didn't go.
Ular Bettyni bazmga taklif qilishmadi, shuning uchun u bormadi.
Do.
Fe'li gapda asosiy fe'l vazifasida kelganda gapda yana bitta
Do.
yordamchi fe'l vazifasida ham ishlatilishiga e'tibor bering.
What did you do at the weekend?
Hafta oxirida nimalar qilding?
I didn't do anything.
Hech narsa qilmadim.
Be, am is are.
Fe'lining o'tgan zamon shakli.
Was, were.
We were.
Biz edik.
Were we?
Biz edikmi?
Was, were,
Qatnashgan inkor va so'roq gaplarda
did,
qo'llanilmaydi, shunga e'tibor bering.
I was angry because they were late.
Mening jahlim chiqdi, chunki ular kechikdilar.
Yana misollar.
Was the weather good when you were on holiday?
Ta'tilda bo'lganingda havo yaxshi edimi?
They weren't able to come because they were so busy.
Ular juda band bo'lganliklari uchun kela olishmadi.
Did you go out or were you too tired?
Ko'chaga chiqdingmi yoki juda charchagan edingmi?
Shu bilan unit 5 o'z nihoyasiga yetdi. Endi odatdagidek Lexika.uz saytiga kiring va ushbu unitga tegishli savollarni yechib olgan bilimlaringizni sinab ko'ring. Shuningdek, ushbu rolikka komment yozib, like qo'yish esingizdan chiqmasin. Siz uchun bu oson, biz esa xursand bo'lamiz. Omad!